Okay, year 3. So today we are going to be dividing by 4 and 8. Now when we were multiplying by 4 and 8, we noticed a pattern. We noticed that whatever we multiplied 4 by, if we multiplied 8 by the same number, the answer was twice as much. Now we know that because 8 is twice as big as 4. I wonder how that is going to help us with our dividing today. Now if we look at question 1, this is write the missing numbers. Now these are supposed to be tomatoes. How many tomatoes have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now it's asking us 16 divided by 4 equals how many? So what that means is 16 split into groups of 4 is how many? Now let's use, I'm going to use a blue pen to draw around all the groups of 4 that I can see. So that's one group of 4. This would be 2 groups of 4, 3 groups of 4, and 4 groups of 4. So 16 divided by 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. That would make 4 groups of 4. Now I'm going to use a different colour pen to show what 16 divided by 8 would be. Now see if you can make a prediction. If when we're multiplying the answer gets twice as big, do you think it would be the same when we're dividing? Let's find out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's one group of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that would be another group of 8. And that is 2 groups of 8. What do you notice about the answers? 2 is half the size of 4. So because we are sharing it into more groups, the answer is going to get smaller. So think, if you had 16 tomatoes and you were sharing them between 4 people, you would get more than if you had to share them between 8 people. Then you would have less. Okay, let's see if we can try that again with my wonky lemons. Now we have 40 lemons here. I know this because we've 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in a row, and 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. 10 times 4 is 40. So 40 divided by 4, let's see if we can work it out. That's one group of 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 40 divided by 4, 40 lemons shared between 4 people would give you 10 lemons each. Now if we had 40 divided by 8, remember we need 2 groups of 4 to make one group of 8. So what do you think the answer might be? Have a think. Remember when we did the question before, because we were sharing it with more people, the answer got smaller. How much smaller did it get? Let's work it out. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 5 groups. So what's the answer? The answer is 5, which is half as much as whenever we divided by 4. Now I've got a bonus question here for you. 40 divided by 2 equals how many? Now that is 2 is half as big as 4. So think, if you were sharing the lemons between 4 people, would you have more or less than if you were sharing it between 2 people? So if you had 40 lemons between you and your friend, Would you have more or would you have less than if you were sharing it with you and 3 other friends? You and your friends would get more. So let's try and count in our 2's. So that's one group of 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So if it was 40 lemons between you and your friend, you would have 20 lemons each. You see how 20 is twice as big as 10. So if the number you're dividing by is getting bigger, the answer is going to get smaller. If the number you're dividing by is getting smaller, the answer is going to get bigger. Now we can't draw for every single one, so we need to try and remember that pattern when we're working with just number sentences and not pictures. Now 28 divided by 4. One way we could work this out, if you can't remember, is count up in your 4's. So let's count in our 4's. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. So I have 5 fingers and 2, which makes 7. Now this is the inverse operation. It just means the opposite. So if we know 28 divided by 4 equals 7, something times 4 equals 28. What do you think the answer is going to be? This is what we practiced yesterday. It's going to be 7. Fantastic. Now 48 divided by 8. Again, we can count in our 8's. So 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. 48. So 5 and 1 makes 6. Now, let's see. 48 divided by 8 is 6. Something times 8 equals 48. So what this means is if we split 48 into 8 groups, we would have 6 in each group. How many groups of 8 do we need to make 48? 6 groups. It's just the opposite. Now 24 divided by 8 is how many? Let's count in our 8's up again. 24, so we're going to 24. 8, 16, 24. How many? Just 3. Now the opposite. 24 divided into 8 makes 3. Something times 8 makes 24. We know it's going to be 3. 24 divided by 4 is how many? So the last time we were using 8, now we're going to be using 4. Now remember, this number's gotten smaller, which means this is going to get bigger. How much bigger? It's twice. So twice as big as 3 is 6. Let's try and work it out the other way. Something times 4 equals 24. It's going to be 6. Now the last one is actually asking us to divide it by 3. 24 divided by 3. Now can we use one of these patterns to help us? Unfortunately not, because it's not 3 is not half of 8, it's not half of 4, so we have to work out in our 3's again. Let's count in our 3's. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. So that's 1, 2, 3 and 5 makes 8. Oh, could we have used one of our patterns there? So if we look at the first one, we already knew that 24 divided by 8 equals 3, so it's just the opposite way around. So if 24 divided by 3 is 8, something times 3 is 24. The same question, just the other way around. Okay, it's a little bit complicated, so take your time today, year 3. If you want to draw pictures, you can, but I would suggest if you've got colour and pencils to try and use different colours like I have, because you can see it gets really, really messy and it's hard to keep track. So just try your hardest and take your time.